Fans, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to open this mouse and let's see what's inside it. Come on, let's get started. As you can see, this is the wire mouse with PS2 port, and let's start removing it with screw. I have removed the screw. Let's open the mouse. And this is the mouse and this is the outer covering. Let's keep it aside and see the mouse. As you can see, this is the PCB of the mouse and this is the LED which is used here. As you can see the part, this part, this is the sensor of the mouse, you can see, and this is the cursor, what do you call, and these are the buttons, right mouse button, left mouse button, and these all are the other accessories. This is the main thing where the mouse works, as you have noticed it. This is the sensor and this is the red color LED, and these are some other parts. This is rolling part of the mouse, and these are the right and left mouse button. As you can see, this is normal. This is the PCB of the mouse. As you can see, this is the outer covering which fits like this. So this is what inside the mouse. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.